this is Vasundhara and welcome back to my channel. And to all the new members out there, a huge welcome and loads of virtual hugs. I am Vasundhara and today I am going to challenge myself to do my makeup in just 5 minutes. So whenever we have like a time crunch or something, or whenever we have to rush like really bad, we don't do a lot of things. We just apply some liner and just slap on some lipstick or lip balm and we just step out like that. So yeah, I won't lie, even I used to do the same before going to college or my office, but today I thought maybe I'll just go a little beyond those steps and do something extra, not very over the top but a little extra, and see if I can come up with something in just 5 minutes. So are you guys excited? Because I know I am, and I really hope I can do something good in these 5 minutes. So fingers crossed about that as well. Anyway, I'll stop talking now and I'll quickly get on to the video. So I'm all set. My hairband is on. I'm not going to tie my hair anyway. Okay, so my face is completely bare at the moment. I don't even have a speck of moisturizer on it, and so I'll be doing everything right from the scratch. So yeah, let's just see how it goes. Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? I am ready. Chalo, let's do that. So first I'll start with applying a very thin layer of aloe vera gel all over my face. Applying the aloe vera gel would give me a proper base and also help the moisturizer as well as the illuminator stick on properly. Next up, I'll take a little illuminator and I'll apply it on my cheekbones, on the bridge of my nose, a little on the chin and a little on my forehead. Next, I'll take moisturizer and apply it just below the places I have applied my illuminator. I'll warm up the remaining moisturizer between my palms and blend it well with the illuminator and the moisturizer that is there on my face. Applying the moisturizer and the illuminator together will give a very nice sheen on my face, giving it a very nice, very radiant and glowy looking feel. Next, I'll take my powder brush and dab it lightly all across my face. Dabbing my face with the powder brush will help the illuminator and the moisturizer to seep into my skin, blend very well and stay put for very long. Next up, I'll take a little eyeshadow similar to my complexion and apply it all over my lid with the help of my fingers. This will help my eyes get that depth and look properly defined. So after applying eyeshadow, I'll take my Lakme Iconic Kajal in the shade Classic Brown and draw a line on my eyelid. Next, I'll smudge my kajal towards the outer corner of my eyes, giving it a winged effect. I'll apply the same technique on my other eye as well. Taking the same kajal, I'll draw a very thick line on my lower waterline. I just have 1 minute and I'm unable to find the thing that I need. Okay, yay, I got my spoolie and I'll just be combing my eyebrows and won't define it very properly. For my next step, I'll take a reddish wine lip shade and apply it directly on my lips. I'll use the same lip shade for my blush as well, and I won't go too heavy on my cheeks, which you can see I have already messed up a little. So blend. That's what I'll have to do now, and that's how I'll be wasting my time. Yay! Next, I'll take my Sugar Suede Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Felt Fawn and I'll top my lipstick with it. Just a little blending my blush, and with that we are done. So alright guys, and with this we are done with our 5 minutes challenge. And just for an introduction purpose, this is Piddu. Her name is BUB actually, but then she's so tiny that we have started calling her Piddu only. And she wants to sit on my lap, so I can't really do anything about it. Anyway, I think I did a fairly decent job in 5 minutes with putting on this whole look, and this I can replicate this on a everyday basis as well. So yes, I will definitely try this out next time I step out in the morning or I go for my work or something. And yes, I really enjoy doing this challenge. Do tell me if you guys like this video. Write in the comment section below. I would really appreciate all of your comments. And yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll see you all next time. Bye bye. Bye Piddu. Tell them bye. Can you say them bye? Anyway, bye.